Please don't hide rows or columns. In this sheet that you can see here, column C and row 18 are hidden. That's actually quite difficult to see if you're quickly scanning through a model. Yes, there's a sort of a green line that indicates something is not there, but you can very quickly overlook that. And I have spent many hours scratching my head with models trying to find things that are hidden rows and hidden columns. A better way of doing this, if you have aspects of a worksheet that you think confuse people if they see it, is to use the group and outline function. This is similar, but the difference is that these small plus and minus disclosure boxes appear in the margin or across the top to indicate that some rows or some columns have been collapsed, and you can quickly click the plus button and open them and see what's hidden. Here's a quick clip to show you that in action. So you highlight the rows that you want to combine. Under the data menu, you can group them, and immediately appears the disclosure. Click the minus to hide them and the plus to reveal them.